Live look outside at I-80 at the agriculture check station. You can see trucks backed up for what looks like miles, and that is due to our active weather system we've got going on right now. Tons of Sierra snow expected. Now, we do have a winter storm warning in effect until 10 a.m. this morning just to the west of us. And in the Tahoe regions, we've got a winter weather advisory that also lasts until 10 a.m. this morning. So make sure that you're staying weather aware, checking for those chain controls. As we look at our radar right now, we do have this weather system still kind of moving in. It does start to push out toward the weekend, but for now, those conditions are windy, it's snowy and rainy as you get further west. Looking outside right now, we've got pretty mild temperatures, 46 degrees here in Reno, up at state line only 34. Those are above average temperatures for this time of year. When we plan to go outside today, you may want to take an umbrella because there could be some isolated showers. Again, if you're driving, make sure you have chains or snow tires because that's going to affect your commute. If we keep taking a look, we're gonna get to our day planner. There we are. Noon 55, high of 58 today, which is pretty darn warm for this time of year. Typically, we're in the low 50s. Now, this is the big story today, our winds. These pink colors, that's wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. So these are very strong winds. They could be damaging. If you're thinking, hey, maybe I'll start setting up my Christmas display today, don't. Wait until the weekend. You're going to want to let things calm down. Now through Washoe Valley where that wind is whipping, we do have some advisories for big vehicles, tall trucks, things like that. And you can just see as we get into the evening even, still just super high wind gusts. Now, Saturday starts to taper off and we have a pretty quiet weekend, and that's the case with our precipitation too. Still have some snow here, some rain falling west of the Sierra. By Saturday, sort of moves out. Sunday, just some cloud cover and a pretty mild weekend. Now, next week we get this another weather maker moving in. That's going to bring again some showers, chance for snow in the Sierra. As we move into the back half of the week, Tuesday, we start to see that real chance. Wednesday, a second system moving in. That could bring us again some snow, 40% chance of showers down here in the valley. And then by Friday, again, heavy snow up in the Sierra. So if you're traveling, whether it's today or next week, make sure you're staying weather aware and paying attention to those new road conditions and those chain controls that they've offered. Our 8-day forecast, what can you expect? Well, like I said, it's going to be windy today. We could see gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Yesterday, we saw gusts up to 51 miles per hour at the airport. So those mountain passes, those are even windier. And again, Washoe Valley. Into the weekend, things start to cool off. Looking at 52 tomorrow, 49 for your high on Sunday. And again, next week, 2 weather systems possible. So if you're planning on traveling, make sure you're staying weather aware and checking those road conditions. Josh?
Yeah, and take advantage of a pretty nice weekend because it looks like it's going to be bad again next week.
Absolutely.